So in the last session we discussed about briefly intrinsic semiconductors. So already we discussed in intrinsic semiconductors the charge carriers are electrons and holes. So the conductivity in intrinsic semiconductor is due to electrons in conduction band and holes in valency band. So in this session what we are going to discuss is we are going to derive an expression for concentration of electrons in conduction band of intrinsic semiconductor. If you see the energy band diagram of intrinsic semiconductor, we have conduction band, and valency band. So in the last discussion we discussed what is a band. So band is a set of discrete energy levels which are very close to each other. If you see valency band, it contains a number of energy levels which are very closely spaced to each other. And similarly in valency band, also conduction band also, it contains a set of discrete energy levels which are very close to each other. And the gap between these conduction band and valency band is called energy band gap, which is represented by Eg. So if we see in this conduction band, it contains set of energy levels. So the lowest energy level we represent with Ec, and the highest energy level we represent with infinity. So the conduction band have energy levels from Ec to infinity. And similarly in valency band, it contains a set of discrete energy levels. The highest energy level in valency band is represented by Ev, and the lowest energy level is represented by minus infinity. So in this expression what we are going to derive is the concentration of electrons in conduction band. So here the N represent the number of electrons or electrons per unit volume in the conduction band of intrinsic semiconductor, and it can be given as integral Ec to infinity. So we are getting concentration of these electrons in the conduction band from the energy level Ec to energy level infinity. So we are going integration from Ec to infinity, and the number of electrons in the conduction band depends upon the number of energy state. That means it depends upon density of states. So the density of states can be given as Z of E into D. And also if you take suppose if this conduction band contains 10 energy levels from E1 to E10, in some cases all the energy levels are not occupied with electrons. Suppose if 6 free electrons are there. Now these 6 free electrons will not occupy all the energy levels from E1 to E10. So among these energy level from E1 to E10, only few energy levels are occupied with the 6 electrons from Pauli's exclusion principle. So therefore we should multiply this equation with the Fermi-Dirac distribution function. So what this Fermi-Dirac distribution function explains to us, this function explains the probability of occupation of electrons. So that means among all the states of Z into D, only few electrons are occupied with electrons. So that can be given by the product of Z of E into D into F of E. So in the last session, this is in equation 1. So in the last session, we derived an expression for density of state Z of E into dE. So Z of E into dE can be given as 4 pi by h cube 2m whole to the power of 3 by 2 e to the power of 1 by 2 into d. So we need to apply this equation to this equation 1. So by rearranging this term, Z of E into d can be given as 4 pi by h cube, and this m is nothing but the mass of the electron. So in the conduction band the charge carriers are electrons, therefore m is represented by me star. Me star represents the effective mass of the electron, 2 me star whole to the power of 3 by 2, and E can be replaced by E minus Ec whole to the power of 1 by into d. So this is equation 2 here. And f of E can be given as f of E is nothing but Fermi-Dirac distribution function, and this f of E can be given as 1 by 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by kB. So E is energy of the energy of the level, and EF is Fermi energy, and kB is Boltzmann constant, and T is absolute temperature, and this can be given as 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by kBT whole to the power of minus 1, and this equation becomes f of E becomes exponential of E minus EF minus E by kBT, and this is equation 2 here, 3 here.